In FastMCP, along with the tools and resources, we have prompts also available as core operations that define how an LLM understands, discovers, and interact with different capabilities. We can use @mcp.prompt decorator to define the prompt in FastMCP. Prompt is just a way that save a ready-made instruction for the AI, so it can be reused whenever needed. Imagine you often tell someone, summarize this topic in simple words, and topic is nothing but a variable. It may be a cricket, AI, Python, any topic. It's a variable. Instead of repeating these instructions every time in every method or function, you write it once, give it a name, and reuse it whenever you want. This is a very simple statement. This is a very simple prompt, but we have complex prompts also of 10 to 20 lines. And prompts in MCP allow us to reuse those prompts. And if we change anything in this prompt, it will get changed everywhere because this is a reusable prompt. Let's proceed further and try to understand challenges around prompts without MCP. So the very first one is prompts are hard coded in multiple places. So if it is a simple prompt, we will be writing the same prompt in multiple methods in place of reusing it. And the second one is same instructions repeated across agents. We are writing the same line of statement everywhere. And the third one is no central control or versioning. So in this case, if we have to make the change in our prompt, we have to go in each and every file to make those changes. Now let's talk about prompts with MCP. Here, prompts live server side. Agents fetch prompts dynamically, which means we have only one source of truth for all instructions. So if you change the instruction once, everyone follows the new rule instantly. No duplication and no confusion. It helps us to achieve the reusability. To conclude, before MCP, everyone did their own thing. Everyone is writing their own prompts. Either it's the same statement or a little bit different. But with MCP, we have a one rule book, which is our Bible, and everyone follows the same. Now, let's go back to our Visual Studio and see the implementation around prompts. So in the earlier video, we have created this tool with the help of @mcp.tool decorator and the resources with the help of @mcp.resource. And you would have got the idea. If we wish to use the prompt for that, we can simply say @mcp. Let's define a function and we can say define welcome underscore message. Great. And here we can just provide the doc string. We can say, hello, I am your assistant. Okay. And we can say, how can I help you today? Great. So this is one of the prompts we have written. Now to use this prompt, we can go to our mcp underscore client.py file. And here we can simply write prompts equals to await client dot list underscore prompts. It will get all the prompts for us. Great. Now let's print these prompts. We can simply say print prompts. Okay. So let's go back to our mcp underscore server.py. Let's start the server. Now we can see the server got started at 5000 port. We will go to our mcp underscore client.py. We can see here we are accessing this using client. And here we have, we are listing all the prompts. So let's go ahead and simply say Python mcp underscore client.py. So as you can see in the output, we have this particular prompt available in the list. And if we have some more prompts also available on the server, it will also get listed here. Now in this prompt, we can simply see the name of the prompt, the description of the prompt, which is nothing but the doc string. Okay. Now to access this prompt, we can simply say result equals to await and client dot get prompt. Okay. And just pass this prompt name. So this is our prompt name, welcome underscore message, which is the method name. Okay. Now you passed this here. Now give enter and simply say print result. Okay. Great. So it will print the prompt here. So let's go ahead and again re-execute this piece of code. This time it will help us to access this welcome underscore message prompt. You can see it went ahead and read this particular prompt. So to access this description, we can simply say result dot description. Okay. Now let's go ahead and re-execute this piece of code. Now you can see it printed the description of this prompt. So suppose if I wish to pass the parameter, I can simply say topic, which is of type string here. Okay. And just hit enter and simply say topic here. Okay. And go back to your server, stop the server, and again restart. Great. Now, after restarting the server, let's go back to our MCP client. And here you just simply press enter. And here also just say comma argument. Okay. And in this argument, you can simply say topic. Okay. And the topic name is Python. Okay. Great. Now let's go ahead and again re-execute this client file. Now you can see the execution is successfully done. We have passed this argument to the server. So if you go back to the server console, you will see the Python got printed here, what we have passed from the client. And this is how prompt works in FastMCP.